Hi, today's topic is Motor1.com Best Cheap New York Car Insurance 2022. Looking for the best car insurance in New York for both your car and your wallet? We've researched the top auto insurance companies in the state and found that Progressive US AA and Chico are among the most affordable options to find cheap car insurance in New York. We recommend comparing quotes from multiple providers so you can get the best coverage and rates. In addition to the insurance company, you choose factors such as your age, vehicle make and model, and if driving history can affect your car insurance premium. The best car insurance in New York for your neighbor might not be best for you. Shop for the best rates quickly and easily. Save money on auto insurance with our simple comparison tool. Compare quotes from dozens of top providers. What is the average cost of car insurance in New York? According to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners (NAIC), the average annual insurance rate in New York was $1,425 in 2018, which made it 35% more expensive than the national average. Experts say car insurance in New York is expensive because the state has a high population density and relatively high median income. Below is a breakdown of average car insurance coverage costs for New York car insurance that year. These rates include both minimum liability insurance and full coverage policy. Most drivers carry liability coverage, but not necessarily other types of auto insurance. Total average annual expenditure measure what New York drivers actually spent on auto insurance in 2018. These rates are even higher in New York City, which is the most populous city in the nation. As a result, NYC auto insurance rates are also some of the highest among cities across the nation. In dense areas like New York City and Long Island, drivers can pay as much as $4,000 or more for insurance per year. Cheapest New York car insurance young drivers, according to our rate estimates, a 24-year-old may pay 35% more for full coverage in New York than a 35-year-old. Here are the cheapest companies for young drivers with full coverage car insurance policies. You may notice that some car insurance companies are ranked above those with higher star ratings. This is because our ratings take into account nationwide factors. While our ranking for this article looks especially at what insurance sorry, providers are best for car insurance in New York. New York State minimum coverage. New York and a handful of other states follow a no-fault system for car accidents. Essentially, this means that your insurance company covers your damages in the case of an auto accident regardless of who is at fault. There are some exceptions in cases of serious injury, but for the most part, each driver's insurance pays for their injuries and damages because of the no fault system and other laws in New York. Drivers must carry liability, personal injury protection, and uninsured motorist coverage in the following amounts. Final thoughts on New York car insurance. Although the Empire State has some of the highest insurance rates in the country, their drivers who are willing to shop around can obtain quotes that will help them get cheap car insurance in New York. We found that Progressive, USA, and GEICO are some of the cheapest options in the state. Shop for the best rates quickly and easily save money on auto insurance with our simple comparison tool. Compare quotes from dozens of top providers. What kind of car insurance do I need in NIC? New York drivers need bodily injury, liability, personal property liability, uninsured motorist coverage, and personal injury protection. These requirements apply to the state of New York, including NYC. How much is the car insurance in New York per month? According to our rate estimates, New York drivers pay about 337 per month for full coverage insurance. Your cost will depend on a variety of factors, including your vehicle and location. How much is car insurance in New York for new drivers? Younger drivers or people without driving experience tend to pay more for insurance coverage regardless of location. Our estimates found that 24-year-old drivers in New York pay around $5,007 per year. Okay, that's enough for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also. Bye bye.